So your truck won't start? What do you do now? Hi, I'm Joe with the ATS Road Service Department. I've been here for 9 years. Today we're going to go over what to do if your truck doesn't start. When your truck breaks down, it's typically two different conditions. No crank, no start, and crank, no start. The first one we're going to start with is the crank, no start. The first thing you're going to want to tell us is your truck's make, model, and year. That's going to help us determine if this is going to go to a dealer because it's under warranty, or if we send out a road call and get it fixed over the road. The first thing you're going to want to check is going to be the Davco fuel filter. It's typically going to be on the driver's side under your hood, sometimes on the passenger side. It's going to be a big glass bowl under there, and you're going to want to see at least an inch of fuel in there. If it's got at least an inch of fuel, then we know we at least have fuel going to the engine. But there are some issues you can have with it. First one is if the fuel in there is cloudy or it looks like it has some black stuff in it, that typically means that it's starting to clog up or you may have LJ. And if it doesn't have any fuel in there, we may have a bad O-ring in the Davco filter. Based on the information you provide, we may or may not send a road call out to fix it. We may send a wrecker, we may send a road call. Just depends on the problems you're having, make, model, year, all that fun stuff. The second issue you may have is a no crank, no start. That typically means we either have a problem with the batteries, problem with the cables, problem with the starter, problem with the alternator. In that case, we're usually going to send out a road call to determine which one it might be. And he'll do what we call an electrical system check. He'll check the batteries, check the starter, check the alternator, and then if the batteries are bad, we'll replace them over the road. So before you call into road service, there's a few checks you can do to help you save some time and money. First one you can do is you can check your battery connections to make sure they're not loose, corroded, anything like that. The second thing you can do is you can make sure all the fuses related to your startup system are intact. They're usually on the firewall of your truck and the fuse box. It's right next to the steering column. The third thing you can do is you can review any dashboard lights or warnings that you see popping up on there. That'll let you know any system problems you may have. You can also recall any recent repairs or failures you may have had that may have anything to do with your truck not starting. Remember, when you're calling in, you want to be prepared. Try to have some info on you like make, model, year of your truck, where you're located, what the issue is. Stuff like that definitely helps us out. If you're on the side of the road, if you know what city you're in, highway you're in, mile marker you're by, that always helps us get you service a lot faster. To learn more about the signs that something's wrong with your truck, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to give this video a like, and we'll catch you on the next one.